Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to calculate days since timestamp in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're tracking how much time has passed since certain events, like form submissions, order dates, or project start times. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the workspace where your spreadsheets are stored. This ensures you have access to all your files and data. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard. Here you'll see all your recently accessed files and folders. Take a moment to locate the specific spreadsheet where you want to calculate the days since timestamp. Once you've found it, simply click on it to open it up. This will take you directly into the spreadsheet interface where you can start working with your data. Now comes the important part. Click on the cell where you want the calculation to appear. This is where the result showing the number of days since your timestamp will be displayed. In that cell, type =sign ddif followed by an opening parenthesis. This function is specifically designed to calculate the difference between two dates, which is exactly what we need here. Next, click on the cell that contains your timestamp. This tells the formula which date to use as the starting point for your calculation. After selecting that cell, add a comma, then type today followed by opening and closing parentheses. The today function automatically uses the current date, so your calculation will always be up to date without needing manual adjustments. Now add another comma, and then type the letter D inside double quotation marks. This tells the formula to return the difference in days rather than months or years. Finally, close the entire formula with a closing parenthesis. Your complete formula should look something like =sign ddif opening parenthesis. Your timestamp cell, comma today, opening closing, parenthesis, comma quotation mark D quotation mark closing parenthesis. Once you press enter, you'll see the number of days since that timestamp appear in your cell. Now, if you have multiple timestamps in a column and want to apply this same calculation to all of them, here's a quick way to do it. Click on the cell containing your formula and you'll notice a small blue circle or square at the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag this blue handle downwards across all the cells where you want the formula copied. As you drag, the formula will automatically adjust for each row while maintaining the same structure. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automated calculation that tracks days since any timestamp in your Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.